We have so many types of garlic. I'm going to show you some of them today. The pink garlic, and this comes from France. So France is popular in pink garlic. Another type of garlic. It's one of those types that are giant garlic. That's the braided, normally very firm. This is the elephant. That is, it's not too garlic. We have another garlic. This is a garlic. Whole garlic head is just one bulb. This is a whole, imagine it a whole bulb here. So this is, the whole head is one bulb, the elephant. Then we have the cute little baby garlic. This is originally from Thailand. Tiny, so you can imagine. You can cook with it using the skin as well. So this is the tiny garlic. That's the big one. That's the small one. We have also smoked garlic. So this is, you can do them in a smoker. If you have a smoker, you can do your own smoked garlic, and it's delicious. This is fermented black garlic. Amazing benefits, amazing health effects, which is why they sell it as a form of a pill in pharmacies. So this is the black one, and amazingly, it doesn't really taste pungent or anything. This is the black one, like miso-like taste, you know. So when it is black garlic, you can eat it. It's sweet umami flavor. So that is, the smoked garlic is, it's just smoked garlic, you know. So let's open a smoked garlic. It's just like has a smoky flavor. That's technically what it is. Yeah, it's just smoky. So if you want a smoky taste, you would use a smoked garlic. This is the black garlic, the giant garlic, the elephant garlic, the cute little baby garlic, the pink garlic, the something something garlic, and this is another one. But that is the garlic family I have. Which one do you like most?